Happy Foodie Friday! It's Friday again and it's another beautiful day in Nelson and it looks like it's going to be a great weekend. I love these last days of September. They're always so beautiful. Today we're featuring a salad. It's our dear employee Wendy's favorite salad currently. We constantly come up with new things all the time, but this one features our olive wood smoked olive oil and our Sicilian lemon white balsamic. All you do is mix them 1 to 1. The recipes to follow. Have a look, enjoy, try it out this weekend, and have an awesome time out there. Thanks for watching.